Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. कुछ वर्क दिया था मैंने आप लोग को लर्न करने के लिए। हाँ बोलो। फिर आज हम लोग डिवाइस
मैम देख के पूछ लेंगी। मैम बिना देखे पूछेंगी।
हाँ डन है।
यस मैम।
ओके तो अभी हमारे पास मैक्सिमम 7 स्टूडेंट्स ऐड हुए हैं। जस्ट वेट फॉर 2 minutes टू ऐड मोर स्टूडेंट्स, देन वी विल start our chapter 3. Okay class, all of you open lesson 3 input and output device. Today we revise this chapter again and in the next class I will take the text. Okay, morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग
Good morning,
रिवीजन
ma'am.
करेंगे और नेक्स्ट क्लास में टेस्ट लूंगी। ओके
Good morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। नाउ आई म्यूट यू ऑल। मैं सबको म्यूट कर रही हूँ। ओके ऑल ऑफ यू, all of you, all class, please sit properly. Sit properly with your book, input and output. Okay? Sit properly with your book, input and output. Page number 20. Okay? So, let's start. Input and output devices. Okay. First of all, I make a drawing of computer. This is your monitor. This is your keyboard. This is the mouse. And this is the CPU, right? They all are connected with CPU, right? And these are the, what is this? These are the parts of computer. So students, these parts are different, divided in two parts, input and output. Input devices are used for take data. Input क्या करता है? डाटा को लेता है and output is the show the result on the monitor or printer or paper. Okay? Output means जो डाटा हम इंटर करते हैं उसका रिजल्ट वो हमें शो करता है। कहाँ करता है? मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पर, ठीक है, या प्रिंटर के थ्रू, राइट? हाउ डज अ कंप्यूटर वर्क? कंप्यूटर कैसे काम करता है? So there are 3 processes of working computer. These are I, P, O. It means input, process, output. Okay, input, process, output. Input means a computer cannot work by itself. कंप्यूटर खुद से वर्क नहीं करता है. It needs some data or information to work with. इसे क्या चाहिए? कुछ डाटा और इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए वर्क करने के लिए. So that are the input. Input is like characters, words, numbers, alphabets, etc. Okay? क्या होते हैं inputs? Alphabets, numbers, characters, words, etc. Okay. Shanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
What are inputs? Inputs क्या हो सकते हैं? अभी मैंने बताया ना,
मैम
inputs are
मैम
कौन बताएगा? आराध्या, आराध्या, unmute
मैम
yourself.
कीबोर्ड
Yes,
माउस
yes. Keyboard, mouse,
कीनर
scanner. These are the input devices. But input क्या होते हैं? Inputs are numbers, words, alphabets, right? Okay. Mute yourself, Shanvi. Okay. Page number 21. Page number 21. Aradhya,
यस मैम
read page number 21. How does a computer work? All of you
How
listen
does-
to Aradhya. Start Aradhya.
How does a computer work? A computer works
In
in
three
the
steps. Three steps. Hmm.
Three steps: input,
Processing.
processing, and output.
Yes.
Input: a computer cannot work by
Itself.
itself. It needs some
Data.
data or
Information.
information to work with. Filling fill- fielding data such as numbers, character, or pictures into the computer is called input. Processor: the computer processor the input according to or instruction. Output: the result we get
After
after
the-
the input.
Okay, Aradhya, listen. Input is the data we send to the computer, like characters, words, numbers. Processing means these data process into the CPU. Okay, output means the processed data results given on the मॉनिटर, यानी कि जो प्रोसेस होता है वो उसका रिजल्ट हमें मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पर दिखाई देता है, so that's we call output. Okay, so here are one example like making a cake. So your first example is making a cake. Cake कैसे बनता है? First of all we serve the ingredients of like egg, flour, butter, milk. Okay, now that after that the preparation of the cake in the microwave, okay, is processing. यानी जब हम केक को बना लेते हैं then we put our cake into the microwave, and after the process into the microwave what we found a ready-made cake. ठीक है, the cake is prepared. So this is the process of working of a computer. Okay, all of you turn your page number 22. There are input devices and output devices and storage devices. Okay, so first of all input devices. Aradhya, mute yourself. Okay, Natik, unmute yourself. Natik,
Yes, ma'am.
read input device. Page number 22.
Input device.
Page number 22, input device.
Yes, ma'am. The device The devices that are used to feed data input into the computer are called input device. Let us di- discuss some commonly used input device. A keyboard is one of the most commonly
Commonly
only
used.
commonly used input device. It is used for typing letters, number, and special symbol on the
Symbols.
computer.
Wait,
A
wait,
mouse
wait. Natik, wait. Okay, first of all, input device. What are the input device? Input device is used to feed data into the computer. Okay, and these are called input device. Your first example of input device is keyboard. 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 Keyboard is a commonly input device. यानी commonly इसलिए क्योंकि इसका most मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है. These are it is used for typing letters, numbers, alphabets, and special symbols. Special symbols like plus, minus, okay, into, point, divide, okay, and etc etc. So keyboard is your commonly input device. What is a keyboard? Keyboard is the commonly input device. So next is mouse. Okay, Rudra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Mouse.
next input device is mouse. Spelling of
Mouse.
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 Now read the mouse.
A mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point at the select object on the monitor. It also used to draw pictures and play games on the computer.
Okay,
Scanner.
Rudra, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra, wait. What is the use of mouse? Mouse का use क्या है?
When drawing.
Yes, you can.
When drawing.
Yes, you can make drawing and you can play with
When
the
play
help
games.
of mouse. Yes, you are right. So mouse is a pointing device. Mute yourself.
Yes.
Gaurav. Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Scanner.
Scanner.
Yes.
Scanner is used to
Scan.
a scanner is used to
Scan.
scan
Text.
text are
Pictures. Pictures.
pointing
No, pictures.
that
Pictures.
are that are on a
Paper. Paper.
paper and
View
TV.
them. View them.
Mute them on
The
the
monitor.
monitor.
Scanner is used to scan the text or picture on
Yes, ma'am.
or on a
Picture
paper
on
that view on the monitor. यानी स्कैन करके ये क्या करता है? It is help to
help
see the picture on the monitor. Okay, mute yourself. Abhishek. Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Joystick. Joystick. Where is Abhishek? Okay, Ria. Ria. Abhishek. Your voice is not coming. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो read करो. Read. हेलो,
मैम
व्हाट हैपेंड? बुक नहीं है?
मैम गाँव पे है।
अच्छा, ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ। गांव पे है। आर्यन, आर्यन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। आर्यन, आर्यन, आवाज नहीं आ रही? हेलो, हेलो आर्यन,
यस मैम।
जॉयस्टिक, यस, and joystick is an helps. A joystick is an input device that helps in playing games. Okay, stop. Aryan, stop. Look at the mouse. ये mouse दिख रहा है? All of you see the mouse. Look at the mouse. It is help for pointing and playing games. Same as the joystick is used to help through playing games. Where are the joystick used? In video parlors. Means जहाँ video games खेले जाते हैं, they are used to joystick for playing games. All of you listen to me. Joystick is used for playing games. That's it. Okay? Okay. Mute yourself, Aryan. Arya. Arya. Next is microphone. 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 Okay? Read.
Yes मैम।
Yes, read.
A microphone helps you record your voice or other sounds into the computer.
Okay. Microphone is used to stop. Arya, stop. Microphone is used to help the record your voice. Okay. So, and what your voice and other
Okay,
sound.
ma'am.
Okay. Clear? Now mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Pragyan. Pragyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Light pen.
A light pen is a pen-like device that works like a mouse. You can use it to draw any finger directly on the computer screen.
Yes. Mouse pen is like a pen. ठीक है? It is like a pen and it is used on the touch screen. Okay. And it is used to pointing the icons and making the drawing and doing anything like your mouse. जैसे आप mouse की help से कुछ भी करते हैं on the monitor screen, that is the same as you use with the light pen with the help of this on your monitor screen. Okay, monitor की screen पर आप light pen की मदद से drawing कर सकते हैं. You make drawing, you play games, you select anything. Okay. Now mute yourself, Pragyan. Aditya Gupta. Aditya Gupta, web camera. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
web camera.
Web camera.
Yes.
Photo and video. You can
Use it
it
to chat with your friends and relatives.
and
Sorry, students. Yes, web camera is used. Mute yourself. Aditya Gupta, mute yourself. Web camera is used to take photos and videos. Web camera is used for online video conferencing also. Okay? Suppose we talk each other. हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. For किससे? With the help of web camera. Web camera के through I will see you and you can see me. You can do the video conferencing and you can take photos. Okay? So next is trackball. Pulkit, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Trackball.
A trackball looks like a mouse with a ball on the top. As you
Rotate
rotate the ball,
the pointer
the pointer has
also moves
on the computer
screen. Okay, now mute yourself.
Screen.
Okay, stop. Now trackball. A trackball looks like a mouse. A trackball is look like a mouse with the ball on the top. यहाँ पे top मतलब ऊपर पे ball होती है. As you rotate the ball, rotate means moving up down. Okay, as you rotate the ball, the pointer also moves on the computer screen. Do you know what is the pointer? How many students know the pointer? Raise your hand if you know the pointer. Pointer देखा है कैसा होता है? Did you see the pointer? Anybody? No? Okay, look at here. This is the pointer. Understand? When you move your mouse, जब आप अपने mouse को move करेंगे, when you move your mouse, this pointer it move on the computer screen. ये computer screen पर move करता है. This is move on the monitor screen, and this is a pointer. Pointer. Okay? With the help of pointer, you can select any icon. इसकी मदद से आप किसी भी आइकन को सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Everybody understand what is the pointer? Raise your hand. Everybody understand what is the pointer? सबको समझ में आया कि pointer क्या है? Raise your hand. Okay, Abhishek, Adivyanshu, very good. Pulkit, सबको समझ में आया ना? Good students. All of you good. Good, Rudra. Okay, Sadik, hands down. Arya, Gaurav, hands down. Okay. Ashish Yadav, unmute yourself and please on your video. I can't see you. Ashish, on your video. Unmute yourself. Ashish, are you there? Okay, so these are the what? Input devices. Okay. Number 1, keyboard. Keyboard. All of you, please pay your attention here and learn the spelling of the input devices. There are 8 input devices. सबको learn करना है spelling. Keyboard. Keyboard. Next, mouse. Mouse. Next, scanner. Scanner. Next, webcam. E-R-A, camera, web camera. Next, J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. Next, M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E, microphone. Next, L-I-G-H-T, light. P-E-N, pen. Look at here. Look at your monitor screen. Look at here. Nobody look there and here. Arya, all of you look at the board. Don't look here and there. कोई इधर उधर मत देखो, board को देखो. And learn the spellings. All of you learn the spellings with me. L-I-G-H-T-P-E-N, light pen. T-R-A-C-K-B-A-L-L, trackball. These are the input devices only. ये सब क्या है? Input devices है. Okay? Shanvi, unmute yourself. Okay.
Yes,
Chalo.
ma'am.
Read the input devices.
Keyboard, keyboard.
B-O-A-R-D.
BOARD, board.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Hmm.
MOUSE, mouse.
Yes.
SCANNER, scanner.
Yes.
WEB, web. CAMERA, web camera.
Good.
JOYSTICK, joystick.
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 Yes.
MICROPHONE, microphone.
No. MICROPHONE. Read again.
Micro LIGHT, light. PEN, pen.
Hmm. Next.
TRACK, track ball. BALL.
Very good, Shanvi. These are what? Input devices. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aradhya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the input devices.
KEYBOARD, board, keyboard.
Very good.
MOUSE, mouse.
Yes.
SCANNER, scanner.
Very good.
WEBCAMERA, camera, web camera.
Very good.
JOYSTICK, joystick.
Yes.
MICROPHONE, microphone.
Yes.
LIGHT, light. PEN, pen, light pen. TRACK, track. BALL, ball, track ball.
Very good. Mute yourself, Aradhya. Okay. Next is Sadik. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the input devices.
KEYBOARD, keyboard. MOUSE, mouse.
Very good.
SCANNER, scanner.
Very good.
WEB, web. CAMER, web camera. JOYSTICK, joystick.
Yes.
MICROPHONE, microphone. LIGHT, light. PEN, pen, light pen. TRACK, track. BALL, ball,
Very
track
good.
ball.
Very good. So these are the input device. Now we talk about output devices. Okay? Everybody learn the input devices. सबको input devices learn हो गई है? और अगर नहीं हुई है, so learn at your home. Now Mute yourself, Sadik. Now we talk about output devices. Sadik, mute yourself, beta. Mute kariye. Yes. So output devices are used to show the result on the monitor screen or paper. So these are first input devices are output devices is monitor, 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 and second is PRINTER, printer. Okay. Now next is speaker, 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 and headphone, HEADPHONE, and plotter, PLOTTER, plotter. Okay. So plotter is a high quality image such as design of ships, machines, building, etc. It is a pen to draw picture on paper. Now, speaker and headphone. Speaker is used to listen to music. Okay, and इससे और क्या होता है? Speaker lets people to listen music whether they want or not. Means कि speaker करता है कि इससे सॉन्ग सब लोग सुनते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि ये स्पीकर होता है और इसे सिर्फ 1% नहीं सुनता है, उसे सब लोग सुनते हैं, जिसे सुनने का मन है वो भी और जिसे नहीं है वो भी. एंड हेडफोन इज यूज्ड टू लिसन ओनली 1%. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी पुट आवर लीड इन द ईयर. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ईयर में लगाते हैं, सिर्फ हम सुन सकते हैं, राइट? सो हेडफोन इज यूज्ड टू listen only 1% without disturbing anyone. Okay. Now printer. Printer is used to print the image on the paper. Monitor. Monitor is used to show the result on the monitor screen. Okay. So Natik, unmute yourself. Natik, unmute yourself. Okay,
Yes,
Natik,
ma'am.
read the output devices first.
MONITORPRINTERSPEAKER.
Natik, wait, beta. What is this PRINTER? क्या बोलते हैं उसे? What we say? Printer. MONITOR, monitor. PRINTER, printer.
Yes,
Say like this.
printer.
Okay? Yes. Next.
SPEAKER, speaker. AND and HEADPHONE, headphone. PLOTTER, plotter.
Yes. So these are the output devices. Now mute yourself. Divyanshu, unmute yourself. Okay, read the output devices. First, second, third, fourth. Read.
A keyboard is one of the most commonly used input device.
Divyanshu, wait, Divyanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
I said read this: monitor, printer, speaker, plotter. These input devices. Read from here, not in your book. यहाँ से पढ़ो. Okay. Number 1.
MONITER, monitor.
Yes. Number 2.
PRINTER, printer.
Next.
SPEAKER,
Speaker.
skipper, and head, head, phone,
Headphone.
headphone,
Plotter.
P-L-O-T-R,
Plotter.
pointer.
Okay. Very good. Mute yourself. Brijesh. Brijesh. Brijesh, unmute yourself. Okay, Shishant. Shishant, unmute yourself. Yes. Read output devices.
MONITOR monitor, PRINTER printer, SPEAKER speaker, ND and HEAD headphone, PLOTTER plotter.
Plotter. Plotter. Okay. Mute yourself. Samrat. Samrat, unmute yourself. Samrat. Samrat. Okay, Brijesh, unmute yourself. Okay. Brijesh,
Yes, ma'am.
read output devices.
MONITOR monitor, PRINTER printer, SPEAKER speaker, AND and HEAD head, phone,
Plotter. Plotter.
plotter.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself. Samrat Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the output devices.
MONITOR monitor.
Yes.
PRINTER printer.
Yes.
SPEAKER speaker. AND
And
HEAD head, PHONE headphone,
yes.
PLOTTER
PLO. This is not I.
PLOTTER
Plotter. Very good. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself. Aditya Kumar, unmute yourself. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
read the output devices. First,
MONITOR monitor, PRINTER printer, SPEAKER speaker, AND HEAD headphone, speaker and headphone, PLOTTER plotter.
okay, very good. Mute yourself. Aradhya.
Yes,
Aradhya,
ma'am.
read the output devices. Read the output devices. Aradhya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, start.
MONITOR monitor, PRINTER pointer,
Printer.
printer,
Yes.